Oh my god. You serious? Okay, what's up, my little wolfies? I just filmed an entire video on accident without actually filming it, so whoopsie daisies. It's a good thing I can redo these type of things. Okay, just watch this.
Hi, diary.
By the way, this is the weirdo cam.
Sorry about the fish noise in the background of almost every single one of these. You know who that is. But can I be real for a minute?
By the way, the fish noise in the background is my Axel, and then what I mean by I don't want to get in trouble with this, just don't break the law. Please don't break the law. Thank you.
This isn't really just like a thing that goes out just to you, future me. But this is one of the ones that I want you to share with everyone on the internet. Okay? Because I think it would be good for almost every 11, 12-year-old girl to know that being weird, it's okay. You don't have to be perfect. You don't need to be like a crazy, stereotypical girl. You can be the girl who's a furry. You can be the girl who's crazy. You can be whatever you.
By the way, I support every single one of you who do this. I know furries are getting a bad rap right now, and I don't know why, but people are just really annoyed about the furries. Don't know why, because furries look really good. They're just really expensive to exist as. But, anyway. Here's another thing. So, I'm going to be editing this video a little through CapCut. It is actually free, so if you are thinking about making your own on YouTube channel, I definitely recommend CapCut. Not sponsored, just they have great quality. Examples on my channel are, well, there's only one of them, but it was actually my very first music video. You know, Meet Me by the Willow Tree. Don't know if it's called the Willow Tree anymore. Can't remember. But yeah, that was made by using CapCut. Please sponsor me, CapCut. Anyway, on to the video.
What? Just promise me this doesn't get me in trouble, but
Don't break the law.
just be who you are. That's all I'm saying. Just be you. You don't have to change for anyone else. That's what I love about my friends. They don't change for me, and I don't change for them. You can just be our weird, crazy selves. And I know you all have someone in your life like that as well. Like, isn't there just one friend who's always, well, there for you? And they're always like the silliest person, but at the moments that you need them to be serious, they'll be the seriousest person there.
Ow.
More serious than you, and always like just comforting to you, even if they're a little pushy or crazy or obsessed with stuff. You know, that's why you're friends with them, because they're weird, like you. And I don't think anybody should change that. Well, that's all for this science lesson. Bye, future me and internet. Bye, diary.
Okay, just for context, little life lesson I just wanted to share with you. Don't know why I wanted to share it. It just popped in my head as a video idea. Also, this is the PS part, because I entirely forgot about this. Just me, it only takes 31 seconds. It's gonna be a 6-minute video. Just realized that, so I'm gonna wait until it gets to like. There we are.
By the way, don't ever forget what Mom told you. Don't ever forget about her. Trust me, you don't want to. But
Actually, like, I was future
be
me for a
yourself,
minute.
future me. And you're so young, internetties. Bye.
Okay.
But for real this time. Bye, diary.
It might have sounded like I said committees, because that's what it sounded to me. Had I said peoples on the internets. that's what I said. Yeah, that's what I said. Sorry. Anyway, that's all for this little life lesson video. Please like and subscribe. Like if you just like the video, like the little message, or just like because reasons. And please, I'll be just fine with 20 subscribers. Please, just help me get to 20. Please! I don't want to one up my friend. I just want 20 subscribers. That's all I want. Anyway, bye, little woofies. Wobble 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 wobble.